Hey everyone, Unbox Reality here. We've got the Hisense 75-inch class H6510G Series 4K Android TV. I picked this up on a Black Friday deal for $599.99 at Best Buy. Regular retail on this is $999.99. So let's open it up, take a look. Okay, so now that we have this installed and set up, let's talk about what I like, what I don't like with this TV. Let's start with the negatives first, so we can end this video on a positive note. First, the remote. It's big, it's clunky, and it just feels low quality. It's almost like Hisense borrowed a remote control design from 2005 and shipped it out with these TVs. Another thing that I really don't like about this TV is the user interface and the processing power. As soon as you dive into the menu and settings or start navigating any of the apps on the TV, you notice a very delayed response to your commands. Movements on screen can be jittery and delayed, even as you're just navigating the settings. It's here that the price of the TV really starts to show itself. When navigating into apps and choosing any high-resolution content, you'll see lag times to get the video started, and when it does eventually start, be prepared to wait 5 to 10 seconds before it reaches high definition. Now this is on a 100 megabyte per second connection to the internet, so it's not our internet connection, it's the TV and the lack of processing power. When I purchased this TV, I envisioned, with access to all the apps that I normally watch, this would be a standalone system, not needing an Apple TV box or a Roku stick or anything like that. So seeing the underperformance as far as user interface and performance power goes, I've actually decided to go with something more tried and true. An Apple TV 4K on this TV. Taking away what this TV really isn't good at lets it really focus on what this TV does well, and that's displaying a great 4K picture. When displaying 4K content on the screen, it's visually amazing. It's bright, great contrast. While the blacks tend to be a little bit grayed out, overall the picture is stunning. And really, that's the main reason in buying this. I can live with the processing power deficiencies as long as it delivers a great picture, and that it does. Now, this is a 60 Hz screen with True Motion 120 technology, and I would rate this as mediocre at best. And I actually ended up turning it off. I actually feel it made the picture more jittery due to the lack of processing power. And the picture actually looks smoother with it turned off and just running the native 60 Hz. So guys, overall, if you can get a deal on this TV like I did, around $600, I recommend it. But if it's at full retail, look at some different options and compare before you buy. But be prepared to use a third-party device to stream content if you want to capitalize on what this set does well, and that's displaying content. When you ask it to do more than that, that's when the price of the TV really starts to come through. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. This is Unbox Reality, and I'll catch you in the next one.